Humanitarian group Wahana Visi Indonesia seeks to empower farmers and disabled communities in Central Sulawesi through inclusion projects which target vulnerable groups to create a more just and prosperous society.
Wahana Visi Indonesia, or WVI, has initiated a project called Increasing the Leverage of Inclusive Markets Across Indonesia to bring a new hope for farmers and vulnerable groups, including the disabled community in Central Sulawesi, especially in the Central Lore district in Poso. The project focuses to improve the welfare and socio-economic inclusion of vulnerable groups through better access to information, business capital, and good agricultural practices.
Kami lebih menyasar pada kelompok-kelompok rentan, kelompok-kelompok yang berada di wilayah yang sangat susah akses jalannya, informasi penyediaan input produksinya, informasi ke pasarnya juga susah. Jadi salah satu contohnya desa Rompo yang ada di Kecamatan Lore Tengah. Inclusion sendiri ada di 208 desa yang tersebar di 9 kabupaten yang ada di Sulawesi Tengah.
This project is supported by the Australian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade through the Australian NGO Cooperation Program, or ANCP. With this support, WVI can facilitate the farmers, including those with disabilities, to access information about corn farming. One of the innovations is the use of superior seeds which are adapted to the characteristics of the soil so that the fields have higher quality. The Rompo and Doda villages are the examples of how inclusion and empowerment can create positive changes in people's lives. However, the farmers admit that they still have obstacles in getting fertilizers, which remain scarce, and there is still poor road access from their village to the city, which can take about 4 hours.
Waktu itu saya dengan Pak Tua sempat berhenti tanam padi, beralih ke jagung, tapi pakai sistem biasa saja. Pakai sistem biasa, pokoknya tidak ikut metode pertanian. Tanam suka-suka, tidak pakai jalur seperti itu. Tapi setelah kenal dengan WVI, ternyata metode tanam jagung yang selama ini terapkan salah.
With good farming assistance and training from Wahana Visi Indonesia through the Inclusion Project, the community's economy has increased at least by 2 times.
Dulu cuma sekitar 500 kilo aja.
Kalau sekarang gimana?
Sekarang lalu ibu tanam itu 1 kilo dapat 570 kilo.
Oke.
Saya panen dengan benih 6 kilo, saya dapatnya 4 ton 100. Kalau saya ikut di WVI, saya sudah diajarkan jadi petani mandiri. Jadi biaya sendiri, puas.
Their income is allocated to meet household needs, children's education, school. Even now, they can save for future needs.
Kalau yang paling utama anak sekolah. Kemudian kebutuhan. Kemarin alhamdulillah dari hasil panen bisa beli lahan.
Rompo village head, Alpius, also welcomed the presence of the program. The community has experienced the results with a significant economic improvement, and many of them are no longer in debt to middlemen. Alpius said about 25 people with disabilities who have joined the Pastiwa community of special farmers have now become more empowered thanks to the inclusive farming program. At least they can help the family economy after receiving discriminatory treatments and being marginalized in the past.
Dia senang karena ada lagi kebun yang baru dibuka, dia senang mau tanam jagung lagi. Dia mau dapat duit, kata dia bilang kalau ada uangnya nanti dia mau menikmati juga. Oh, dia mau beli mesin cuci kan. Rasa sakit dada buat cuci kata pakai tangan.
As a humanitarian organization, Wahana Visi Indonesia aims to develop a better society for everyone with no one left behind.